competition that contemporizes the Mindanao music tradition, integrating it with other music tradition without losing the original Mindanaoan sounds.
Hey everyone, I am here with Nico, the drummer of
Rhythm of Life Band from Iligan City.
Mr. Nico. What is your reason in joining this competition?
Not reason of really winning, but the experience and enjoying such a prestige competition.
Thank you very much.
It is open to all Mindanao-based musicians. It started on August 9 for choosing the top 10 and lasted in August 10, 2013 for the finals.
Good evening, I am with Miss Maan Chua and she's the winner of Tunog Mindanaw 2013. How were you influenced in this kind of genre?
Ang Davao naman kasi Mindanao is very rich in culture no and tribes no. So we get our influence almost everywhere kasi nga we have very rich culture. We have this festival and then we're very exposed sa mga bagay na ganito.
Arlette Ongachen reporting.